What is up, y'all? We back with another video, man. So today, man, we gonna be doing, man, scaring people on Monkey, man. Jump scares, basically, y'all. For the people that do monkey videos like that, y'all know what I'm talking about. So really, we finna go ahead and get into this video, man. Today we gonna be scaring with this mask right here. This is the mask right here, y'all. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video.
Nah, brother, I'm Batman. I'm gonna beat the shit out of you, boy. Bro, he is not scared.
Oh, that dude, bro.
Right. Tails. I did not.
Yo, she pissed me off, yo. She looked stupid.
It's a scary ass nigga. Do that again?
Oh, nah.
I know he a freak.
Oh, what, bro? Y'all, they tripping, bro. They tripping, bro. They tweaking out, cuz. We gonna get some good ones, y'all. I promise, I promise. Dang, this thing taking forever to load, y'all. This is the hard time that I take out for my videos, man. I hope y'all appreciate this, man, because this video will probably be uploaded tomorrow because honestly, I'm too tired to edit it right now. Too tired. So it looks like we're having some technical difficulty, guys. So I'm gonna reload this and I'm gonna get back to y'all. We back. Had to reload my stuff. It was tripping, y'all.
Check me out, bitch.
Bitch, put that lighter on my
Bro, I'm about to bleep so many of these parts out, y'all.
Give me the right one. Fuck no. Fuck you. Or not.
They trust in my niggas. They
didn't even know.
No headshots. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors.
But I swear I ain't getting no good reactions, y'all. No good reactions, bro. But I need some girls on here, bro. Real talk, bro. Cause low key, bro, dudes be tweaking, bro. For real, y'all. And my stuff keep on having technical difficulties. Hold on, y'all. Let me reboot. Alright, y'all. I had to reload my stuff once again. Oh, my stuff really tripping, y'all. You know what? Hold on, y'all. We finna try something else. Hold on. Maybe if we... Girls only $6.99, bro. I can't, bro. Alright, y'all. Finna see if that works. Like, I swear, dudes be tripping, bro. For real, y'all. I don't know what's going on, man. I don't know what's going on, y'all.
Okay. Matt, are you going with him? Get yourself, buddy! Fuck, no! What the fuck? No, wait, look. Look. Oh, fuck! Why are you rolling that?
There we go, y'all. That's the reactions I'm looking for right there, boy. There we go, y'all. It's taking some time, y'all, but we getting there. I promise y'all. I ain't do that video for nothing now. The video gotta get uploaded, though. Gotta get uploaded. Dang it. Dude, skipped.
You a white girl?
Bro, you clearly see me with a clown mask on, and dude gonna ask if I'm a white girl. Come on. People with these black screens, bro. Like, come on, bro. Man, right now, bro, I'm getting a whole bunch of dudes, bro. I need some females, y'all. Some females, bro. I can't keep doing this, man. I need some females. Oh, this video might have to get cut short, bruh. I'm gonna have to bleep too many of these parts out, bro. All because of freaking... All because people want to do dumb stuff on Monkey, man.
Nah, that's cool. I ain't even going back. That shit hard. How you do all that?
Type. I mean, really, bro, it's really not hard, bro. Like, I mean, I just got the lighter and the mask. I mean, put two and two together, bro. But really, though, they giving me a lot of dudes, bro. I'm trying to get some females, and they playing, bro.
You gotta pay for that. She only big up. I don't know how I got you on here.
That's what I'm saying, bro. But I'm finna have to move on to the next person, bro. Because low-key, like, I'm recording a YouTube video right now. You can't see my setup because it's dark in my room, but I'm recording a YouTube video and shit, so.
What's the channel? Must support.
I mean, my channel is Stay Lit _ your boy _ Eli, and then the money sign at the end. So if you want to go to low-key, you probably not gonna remember that, but if you want to go if you want to go subscribe, man, hey, it's whatever, man.
Nah, cause I'm really trying. You said Stay Lit
_
Eli, right?
Yeah. No, hold on. What is up, y'all? So if y'all still watching the video, man, then that means y'all have officially made it to the end of the video. Let me take this mask off so you can see my face while I'm talking to you. But yeah, man, y'all have officially made it to the end of the video, bro. So if y'all like this video, man, subscribe, comment, like if you must, if you want, really. And like I said, this is the first video that I did like this, y'all. So try to make it go viral or whatever, man. Shoot, I'm just following in the footsteps of the creators, man. So like I said, man, thumbs up, subscribe. Right now I'm at 52, 53 subscribers, man. So just keep it going, man. Y'all, I'm trying to get to up 100 subscribers, but thank y'all for watching, man, and peace. We out.